Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 21st of January 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who've earned themselves a golden ticket this week. Well, actually they've been working so hard throughout this year, to be fair to them. It is their time to earn themselves a golden ticket. If it isn't you this week, don't worry. Copy these children. You will see who wins them. Just copy them. If you copy them, who knows? Next week, it could be you. It could be you. So good luck, everyone. Here we go. We're going to start this morning in year 3. So we're kicking off in year 3. Mr. Pinner says she works hard in class. She plays a very active role in class discussions in all subjects and is always keen to share with others what she has learned. Although she does not always find it easy, she has really stuck at improving the presentation of her work and is showing real improvement in her English and maths books, which is fantastic. So we want to see the massive improvement. She reads regularly at home and has always stuck to the school target of reading at least 5 times a week. This shows in her super reading in guided reading sessions. It's fantastic. All of the adults in class are very happy to award her with this week's golden ticket. So am I. Golden ticket goes to Ebony. Here she is. Ebony, look at that. Well done, Ebony. Yes. Really proud of you. Your sisters will be proud of you as well. So really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking this home with you today. Come on everyone, give Ebony a big cheer and keep up that really hard work improving that presentation. Keep on reading superly. Well done. Next, we have Mrs. George says this child is such a great example of a year 3 child. He works so hard in every subject and always produces beautiful work to a really high standard. He does, and he always has. He's amazing. He's a lovely friend to others in the class and will always help children who aren't sure on what to do. He really is one of the kindest boys. He is a fantastic writer and I love reading his writing. He is superb. Golden ticket goes to none other than Paul. Here he is, look at that. Well done, Paul. Really, I know Angel's going to be so proud of you. So is Mum. So really well done, Paul. I am so proud of you. Keep up that amazing work and keep being the amazing boy that you are. Enjoy taking this. Come on, everyone. Give Paul a massive cheer in class now. Well done, buddy. Enjoy taking this home with you today. Superstar. In year 4, Miss Barrett says this child always wants to do their best in every task. They contribute to lessons by putting their hand up. They're such a helpful partner and they always read more than 5 times a week. They regularly ask for extra jobs to do around the classroom to help us out, and they set an excellent example for others, which is super. So like I said at the beginning, copy these children. They're just setting excellent examples. They're fun, kind and friendly to everyone, which makes them a delight to have in the classroom and to have at Mile Cross Primary School. Golden ticket goes to Heather Rose. Here she is. Oh yes, Heather, look at that shock. No, don't be shocked. Really well done. You absolutely deserve this. So I know Mum's going to be really pleased. So well done. And so is your older sister as well. So well done, Heather Rose. Massive cheer for you. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking this home with you today. You superstar. Well done. Next we have Miss White says this person always wants to do their best and sets themselves very high standards. They don't always find it easy, but they're working hard to be a good listener and putting their hand up to answer questions in all lessons. It's brilliant. They have an amazing imagination and know a huge amount of facts. They really do. Huge amount of facts. Their writing is always exciting to read and includes lots of ideas from things they have read as well. So using all the books that they've read in their writing is fabulous. We have all noticed how hard they're trying to follow our class rules all the time and be a good friend to others. It is amazing. Keep up the great work. Abe, here he is. Come on, Abe. Yes. Look at that smile. Come on, Abe, you have to be smiling now. Well done, buddy. I am so proud of you. Mum and Dad are going to be really pleased. So keep it up. Keep up being amazing. Keep being a nice friend and following those class rules as well. You absolute superstar. A well-deserved golden ticket, Abe. Well done. On to year 5. And Miss Arthurson said this child has worked hard to win this golden ticket. With his newfound confidence, he is now showing us he has the desire to learn and succeed. In the class, his hand is always up, ready to answer any questions, and he always contributes to all class discussions, which is brilliant. At home, he continues to do everything he can to develop his knowledge. He reads at least 5 times a week, completes quizzes on spelling shed, and battles on Times Table Rockstar, which is what my assembly is about on Monday. Getting on spelling shed, getting on Times Table Rockstar. It really is. Golden ticket goes to Riley. Yes, Riley. Double thumbs up for Mr. Allen as well. Absolutely superb. I know your brother's going to be proud of you. So really well done, buddy, and Mum and Dad. So well deserved. Keep up that hard work. Keep working really hard at home, buddy. I am so impressed. So thank you so much. Enjoy taking this home with you today. Well done. Miss Musselwhite says, my golden ticket this week goes to someone who could quite easily go under the radar in my classroom, getting on really quietly. They work hard, they listen to and follow instructions. The first time, they read every day, they make good choices, and they just genuinely want to do well and learn every single day. Recently, they've made themselves stand out by getting involved in all lessons and not being afraid to have a go. They have also shown this year that they understand the importance of their attendance and how being in school every day will help them make even more progress. They really have. And being in school is really, really important every single day. So they really do deserve this. They do. Golden ticket goes to Holly. Here she is. Look at that. Well done, Holly. And you can see by her work. Look at that work. It is amazing. Really well done, Holly. Massive cheer for you. Come on, everyone. Huge congratulations. So well deserved. Enjoy taking this home with you today. I know everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer in class now as well. Just keep being in and keep doing this amazing work. You superstar. Well done. On to year 6. And Miss Percy says Golden Ticket 6JP this week is awarded to someone who is a hard-working and conscientious member of year 6. They really are. They have a brilliant attitude to learning and want to succeed. This means they always put 100% effort into their lessons and produce work of a high standard every single lesson. They are incredibly polite to others and always treat both adults and children with respect. I'm looking forward to seeing how much more progress this person will make before the end of the years. We all are. We absolutely all are. And she's amazing in games as well. Golden ticket goes to Bianca. There she is. Well done, Bianca. Really well deserved. Come on, everyone. Give Bianca a massive cheer. So proud of you. Well done. Keep working. You are amazing. Keep working as hard as you are. You absolute superstar. And enjoy taking this home with you today. Congratulations. Well done. Finally, we have Mr. Davison's the Golden Ticket winner in 6RD, has hugely impressed the Year 6 team since the beginning of the spring term, showing a conscientious attitude to their work, seeking help when feeling unconfident, and also recognising when they have succeeded and praising themselves for it. That's really important. Well done. Moreover, their independence and communication skills have hugely developed, particularly in recent months, and their bubbly personality is beginning to shine. It really is. And again, amazing in games lessons. Absolutely giving everything their all. Golden ticket goes to Summer. Here she is. Well done, Summer. You absolute superstar. Fantastic. You're getting better and better every single day. So really well done. Keep up that really hard work. Enjoy taking this home. Everyone I know is going to give you a massive cheer because you'll be a popular Golden Ticket winner, I am sure. So well done, Summer, and really well deserved, you superstar. Well done. There it is. Look at that. Great work, everyone. Fantastic week from everyone. Whether you've won the Golden Ticket or not, it has been a brilliant week, everyone. So thank you from Mr. Allen to all of you out there. So really well done. We've got another 3 weeks till half term, so let's have exactly the same for the next 3 weeks as well. This weekend, here we go. Look at this. Spelling Shed, Times Tables Rockstar. Look, those are the 2 things I said about in assembly on Monday. Trying to get on Spelling Shed, trying to get on Times Tables Rockstar. Just for 15 minutes each day, just to give it a go, to improve our spellings and to improve our times tables. Come on, everyone, have a real go at getting on this weekend as well. Remember, just 15 minutes will really improve all of that and hopefully get you on that leaderboard as well. So really important there as well. And then here, read out loud. This, and even if you're in year 6, yes, let's get reading out loud. Come on, because it's really important that we do lots and lots of reading, but actually reading out loud is good for us as well. And it's really nice for others to hear us read, even if we're in year 6, because people like to be read to. So let's all read out loud this weekend and have a fantastic and safe weekend, doing lots of schoolwork as well. Until then, everyone, we'll see you all on Monday and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye now.